Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're at the NOC, the Nantahala Outdoor Center up in Bryson City. Looking forward to being back on the Appalachian Trail. In fact, in just a couple months, we'll be doing a hike southbound from this point all the way to Blue Ridge Gap in Georgia. With that being said, let's take a look around. Let's keep moving. Hiker Town. General store. The NOC across the street. So I want to give a shout out to Donald and Mary at the Grateful Hiker, or the Further Shuttle Appalachian. They're going to be helping with my shuttle to get up to this point so I can hike down southbound. So shout out to Donald and Mary. Look forward to seeing you soon. Crossing the tracks here. Awesome. Love the NOC, it's such a great place to be. This is going northbound towards Fontana. Again, this is the way back, going southbound back into Georgia. Let's keep moving. All right, so that's that. We just did a quick walk around the NOC area. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.